What is the sum of the two solutions of the equation x squared plus x minus 30? So we're just going to break this up into multiple steps. Make sure you remember we're coming back. We're not just factoring it. We got to add those solutions together. And so first thing you know, to be able to get the solutions, we're going to have to factor it. Since the x squared does not have a coefficient, or it's just one, we can just do simple factoring. And what we're looking for are the two numbers that multiply together to become negative 30, that add together to become the coefficient of x, which is just 1. If there's nothing there, the coefficient is just 1. And so we can just play around with some different options to think about it. Negative 10 times 3, that doesn't work out. So it would be negative 5 times 6, because these two numbers are going to multiply together to become negative 30 and add together to become positive 1. So once you have those numbers, now we can just break the middle monomial, the x, into 2. So it's just going to be negative 5x plus 6x minus 30. So we just broke that x up into two different x values that add up to become the original amount. So our equation is still equal. And now we're just going to simplify this. So we have x is going to factor out of both of those, which leaves us with x minus 5. And then 6 will factor out of both of these, which also leaves us with x minus 5. And these always should be the same, or you've likely done something wrong. And then we just combine the 2 in the front, the x plus 6, and then the x minus 5 just stays the same. And these are our two solutions. So this is not done yet, or it's our two factors for our solution. So now we have to get our solution, which we set our factors equal to 0 and solve for x. So our first solution is going to be x equals negative 6. Our second solution is going to be x equals 5. And when we add these together, we're going to get negative 1, which is answer C.